Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today we're going to make this lightsaber hilt out of wood. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. So the first thing we're going to do is get a picture. So I printed this one off the interweb and we can just use this to follow and get kind of like the basic dimensions and idea of all the the grooves and that sort of thing that we're going to be making. Alright, so first step here is we're going to round this piece I have out. And then we're going to shape it to the dimensions of this here. And then this part here we'll leave a little bit larger and then we can cut those in later. So let's get to it. Pro tip, helps to have the lathe plugged in. Once all the turning was complete, I could go to making the little ridges on the hilt, and for this I used a carving burr and a little Dremel sanding drum, and that worked really well. And then after that I sanded the rest of the lightsaber hilt. After that I could get to work on the little button, and it's a square, so I cut the little piece to length and then I used a round piece of wood I already had in sandpaper to establish the shape, and then I glued it on with wood glue, and then I used a little super glue to hold it in place. And then I decided to spray paint it black for some reason because I didn't realize I had silver paint. Then I realized I had silver paint, and then I sprayed it with that, and then I did all the rest hand painting. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the build. Came out really cool, and it looks it's so surprising that you're able to make something like this in such a short amount of time. It's really quite cool. Next step, we're gonna be needing to add a blade to some of these. These are really cool. If you liked the video, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you don't be seeing my future videos or anything I have coming up next. Alright guys, until next time, happy building.